Hi, I'm Dana from Hitchin Up and Moving On. Welcome to the channel. We got our camper back last week, and we have spent some time organizing and putting things back in after having it emptied. So I'm going to take you for a little walk around. You can see from the top of the stairs the living room and kitchen, and I'll take you down there in just a moment. Our storage area loft that we've cleared out somewhat. And here we have the bedroom. My favorite pillow was one I gave to Linus for Valentine's Day, and it says, "I love you some more." And then our cute little hamper. In the bathroom, we've got our rugs and our little farmhouse basket. We hang towels. Pretty little farm painting since it's the farmhouse edition. And you can see our linen closet. Before it was totally empty. Now I saved the bottom shelf for Linus to put clothes in. But I've got most of it filled up with our linens. So as we come down the stairs, you can see at the end of the island we have the footstep garbage can, which seems to work pretty well. When we run the heat, we put it here next to the pantry. In our little bathroom, we have the kind of a turquoise accent color. That's our cute little mason jar painting. And of course, my favorite sign. Don't make it weird. And in the pantry, Linus was busy and he made new shelves that are much deeper. They were only about 8 inches deep and now they are 11.5 inches deep. We need to do a little work with the brackets for that top shelf. But you can see now I've got plenty of room for food. I had gotten Linus this little Ninja. It is a toaster, or it flips on its side to be a toaster oven. And I know it's large, but it's going to save turning on the oven for heating up a couple pieces of pizza or something. So there's our new pantry look. I'm very happy with that. Linus is so handy. And my little coffee station. Not what I had pictured, but it works. We're talking about getting new backsplash to put on there. And then he also worked below the sink here. He put in an extra shelf, and then we lined it with the non-skid material and moved the water jug over to make more room. So during travel times, my coffee pot will go right there. Plenty of space. And we add our little pillows and blanket and our rugs here in the living area. And a tablecloth and some sunflowers. Sunflowers are my absolute favorite. Last summer when we were in Alabama, we actually went to the sunflower field and got to pick a bucket of sunflowers, and they were just gorgeous. Absolutely favorite. So we are ready to get on the road, just chomping at the bit. So make sure you like And please subscribe and comment if you want information about anything that we've purchased. Just let me know. And actually, I forgot to show you one other thing in this storage over the television. We have these baskets. This is the snack cabinet. And they slide. We can put one in front of the other, and it's really handy. It's a good use of that space over the outside kitchen. So, thanks for watching. And as I said, please like and subscribe, and comment any questions or any information that you need. So this is Dana again with Hitchin Up and Moving On. The best is yet to see.